Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Here you have to find out x, and we have been given these two angles. In this, we have to find out this angle x. So what we can do is, we see that x degrees, 125 degrees and another 125 degrees. These are the exterior angles of this triangle, and we know the exterior angles sum is equal to 360 degrees. So we get it as x degrees plus 125 plus 125 is 250 degrees equal to 360 degrees. Now x degrees will be equal to 360 degrees minus 250 degrees. So when we solve it, we get it as 110 degrees. So the measurement of this angle is 110 degrees. So by using the same property of exterior angle sum, we can find out this angle which is unknown in the figure. Clear? Let us go to another figure. Here also we have to calculate x. So we see that this angle is exterior given as 60 degree. This is 90 degrees. This is 70 degrees. This is x. And if this is 90, then this is also 90 degrees. So we have been given 4 exterior angles, and the fifth one we have to calculate. So we know the sum of exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degrees. We will add them all and equate to 360 degrees. So we will write x plus 90 degrees plus 60 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 70 degrees. It is equal to 360 degrees, right? Now we will add all these and subtract from 360 degrees. Adding them, we get x plus 310 degrees equal to 360 degrees, right? Now x will be equal to 360 degrees minus 310 degrees. So we are left with x as 50 degrees. Clear? So the measurement of this angle is 50 degrees. So we are using the same property, that is angle sum property, or we say the sum of exterior angles of a polygon having n sides, any number of sides it may have, is equal to 360 degrees. And we have solved the question in the similar fashion as we did the previous one. Alright, let's go to the next one. So here is another question that says how many sides. So we have to calculate the sides. So n is the thing that we have to calculate, and here is number of sides of a regular polygon. Regular polygon will have all the exterior angles, all the interior angles, as well as all the sides as equal. If the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree, that means measure of each exterior angle, right? Measure of each exterior angle will be equal to how much? 24 degrees. And what is the formula of each exterior angle? It is also equal to 360 degrees divided by n. Let us equate these both, because this is also the measurement of each exterior angle given in the question. So when we do it, we write 24 degrees equal to 360 degrees divided by n. So this implies n is equal to 360 degrees divided by 24 degrees. Now solving it, what we get is, we get 15. So what is this polygon? The polygon has 15 sides and it is a regular polygon. So what we had to calculate the number of sides. So the number of sides in the polygon is 15 if the measure of each exterior angle is 24 degrees, right? Let us do another question. Here comes a very important question. It says find the measure of each exterior angle. Now we have to find out the angle, and we are being given with the sides. In the previous one, we were given the exterior angle and we had to find the side. So same formula we are going to use. We know each exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees divided by n. Yes, this we know. Now what are we given with? We are given with n as in the first part. In the first part we are given 9 sides. So how do we calculate the exterior angle? We will write each exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees divided by what is the measurement or what is the value of n given. We are given n as 9. So we will divide it and we get it as 40 degrees. So what is the measurement of each exterior angle if the regular polygon has 9 sides? It is 40 degrees. And why each angle is 40 degrees? Because the term regular is mentioned here. So all of them are going to be equal. The second part you can easily do. The same thing we have to do. Each exterior angle would be equal to 360 degrees divided by 15, right? And we can solve it. We will get 24. So the polygon whose number of sides is 15, its exterior angle will be of 24 degrees, right? Let us go to the next question now. In this question, we are asked to find out how many sides does a regular polygon have. So we have to what calculate? N. We have to calculate n here. If each of its interior angle is 165 degrees. So how do we calculate? Each interior angle is given as 165 degrees and it's a regular polygon, right? So all the interior angles as well as all the exterior angles are going to be equal. So each exterior angle, how do we find exterior angle? As we have seen in the derivation in the starting of the lecture that the exterior and interior angle were forming a linear pair, right? So how do we find exterior angle? 180 degrees minus 165 degrees, right? So we're going to get 15 degrees. Now we know exterior angle. What is the formula for each exterior angle? The formula for each exterior angle is 360 degrees divided by n, right? We don't know what is n here, but we know exterior angle, it is 15 degrees. We have calculated in the previous step, right? So what will be n equal to? 360 degrees divided by 15 degrees. So we get n as equal to, let us cancel it out, 15 ones are 15 twos are 30 and then 15 fours are 60. So we get 24. So what is the number of sides of a polygon whose each interior angle is 165? It is 24. The polygon will have 24 sides. Clear? Let's solve one more problem. In the first part, it is said that it is possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degrees. So each exterior angle is given as 22 degrees and we know the formula for exterior angle is 360 degrees divided by n. So if we calculate n from here, we get 360 degrees divided by 22. So we get by it 16.3636 approximately. We are going to get like this. So a polygon is not possible. Also, how can you recognize as 360 degrees is not a perfect multiple of 22. We can also recognize that whether we can have an exterior angle of 22 degrees or not by thinking, just see, 360 degrees is not a perfect multiple of 22 degrees, right? So we say that we can't have a polygon like that which has each exterior angle as 22 degrees. So what is the condition that we can directly check on? We should check that 360 degrees is a perfect multiple of the given exterior angle. So here 360 degrees is not a perfect multiple of 22 degrees. So it will not be possible to have a regular polygon of exterior angle as 22 degrees. In the B part also, we can see they're asking, can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon and why? So what is given? We are given 22 degrees. Now can it be an interior angle? If interior angle interior angle, because it is a regular polygon, so all the interior angles are going to be equal. So interior angle is 22 degrees. Then what about the exterior angles? All exterior angles will also be equal, and exterior angle will be 180 degrees minus 22 degrees, and that gives us 158 degrees. Now we see that 360 degrees is not a perfect multiple of 158 degrees, right? This is the reason that you need to write in the answer that 360 degrees is not a perfect multiple of 158 degrees, and hence we can say that we can't have a regular polygon whose interior or exterior angle can be 22 degrees. That means each interior as well as each exterior angle will not be of 22 degrees. Clear? So this is something different that we have done in this question. Let us solve this question. In this A part, it is asked what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon. Because it's a regular polygon, all the sides are going to be equal, and we have to tell the measurement of the minimum interior angle as well as we have to give a reason to it. Now, what is the minimum interior angle? So can you just think of a polygon that has minimum number of sides? So the minimum number of sides of a polygon is 3, and if it is said that it is a regular polygon, then all the angles or sides are going to be equal. That means it is an equilateral triangle, right? So a polygon having minimum number of sides, which is a regular polygon, it has the sides as equal to 3. So n is equal to 3 here, right? Now we know that, and because it is an equilateral triangle, so the measurement of angle is 60 degrees. Each interior angle will be 60 degrees each, right? The reason we have given that it will be an equilateral triangle because it is equilateral as well as equiangular, right? And in that there are 3 sides. It is regular polygon and the minimum angle will be 60 degrees. Clear? In the B part, we are asked that what is the maximum exterior angle possible. The lesser the minimum, the lesser the interior angle, the greater the exterior angle, because we know interior plus exterior forms a linear pair that is 180 degrees. So minimum interior angle will give us maximum exterior angle, right? So how do we find it? Exterior is 180 degree minus interior angle, and what is the minimum interior angle that we have? It is 60 degrees. So 180 degrees minus 60 degrees, we get the answer as 120 degrees. Clear? So this is how do we find minimum interior angle for a regular polygon and maximum exterior angle for a regular polygon. Clear? So this is all for today's lecture. Stay tuned for next coming up videos. Thank you.